about to show you how you tame the beast. All right, now first start with dry hair. Like I showed you, that hair hasn't been washed or anything. It's just dry, freshly out of the braids. Start with dry hair before you do anything. And then you take your gnarled booty crust fingers and spray from the roots to the end. Make it wet. Don't be scared. And then you brush from the end. Start for the ends, because if I see that you don't start from the ends and you just run going from the roots, I will come and find you. Anyways, you go from the ends and then go up to the roots and you brush. You detangle. You feel it. You do it right. After you're done, you should be left with some beautiful hair that's actually properly lubricated and just detangled. Next step. Ooh, who is that? So you get the gist. You do your whole head that same way. This is before you do anything, okay? So you just detangle the whole head with your little water or whatever, any aqueous solution. Boom, baby. After you're done, after you wash your hair, conditioned it, then deep conditioned it, and you're left with damp hair, you get your cream and you put it thoroughly through the hair in it. Open her up. Put it all in there. Don't just start at the, front of the hair. Open it. Get it in there. Get it through there. Every strand needs to be covered with this cream. Be generous. Do not be afraid to get messy. I just inserted a little clip of me doing all that rubbing and stuff. Then afterwards, you get your Glo Growth Oil. Did you peep the 25% off sale? You should totally get you some. And you start from the roots and, work it all the way down to the shaft. Make sure you're generous, but not too much, because there's no benefit of putting too much grease or oil in your head. But put enough in there. Lubricate it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Rub it in there. Work it in there. Bring blood flow to the scalp. Okay, so, while you do all that, we're going to sing a little song to help you remember. Let's go. Liquid, cream, oil, forget about it. Liquid, cream, oil, forget about it. So yeah, that's what you do. You do those little steps, put it in braids or put it in little twisties, whatever you call yourself wanting to do. Just make sure that you don't mess with your hair a lot. Just make sure it's low maintenance and you'll be good. I'm only putting mine like that because I'm waiting on my grandmama to come and braid me up so I can put it in wigs. Okay, it's not complicated to grow hair. Don't blame genetics. And just keep trying. Just keep trying. We're all in this together. If I can go from having short hair to long hair, so can you. No excuses. No excuses whatsoever. Just keep trying. Where there is a will, there is a way. Just remember, there is no one right way. Whatever way works for you is the right way.